Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change theme in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to change your phone's theme, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to go to your settings app. Now, once you are in your settings, just scroll down, look for themes here, click on it, and here you might see multiple themes you can set on your phone. So here you can also get free themes, or you can also get some paid themes here. So you just have to select the theme you want. You have some categories. You can select which thing you want to choose. So let's say I'm gonna select this one. Just click on this download button and just wait for it until it completes download. Here you can check or you can get a preview of your wallpaper and your apps, or you can also get a short video here to see how will it look like your wallpaper and your apps here. You have to wait for it until it's completely download. So here you might see also your app inner screen or inner user interface, and here you will see your dialer, your lock screen, your control center, or quick settings, and here your text or your notes. So once you have downloaded, just click on apply and just wait for a few seconds until this completes applying thing. And once it's done, your theme has been successfully changed, your apps has been changed, your wallpaper, your control center, and your apps in the section like your settings interface. So in this way, you can easily change theme on your any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.